Okay, so I was sitting here making my Summer with the Masters video, the doorbell rang, this beautifully wrapped package arrived, and I know where it's from. Am I gonna wait a whole other week to open this package? No, I am not. So let's get into this. So I actually recently ordered 3 more canvases from DIY Moonshop. I have no idea what is in what package, so we're going to unwrap one package today. I'll unveil what might be 1 canvas, what might be 3, I don't know, and then I'll save the other for another day. I'm so excited to show you what I got, you guys. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so I'm gonna start with the small one. We'll see what's in here. I have no idea. Oh my gosh, how fun is this, you guys? All right, so this was actually what DIY Moonshop calls a Zuli tube. So these are storage tubes for your canvases. Come in 2 parts like that. Now, I probably qualified for this with my order in some fashion. I don't actually recall because I ordered this back in maybe late March, maybe early April. So I have the memory of a blowfly, and so I don't recall, but probably something I ordered qualified for this. Now, this is cool because you can crank this all the way in like this to store your canvas, or can crank it all the way out like that to store your canvas. This would be great for traveling. It'd be great just for storing a finished painting if you want to roll it up, drills out, and have it hang out. It does have some slots for this strap that you can attach as a little carrying case. So how cool is that? So if you've ever wondered about what a Zuli tube is, there we go. There we go. So I'm gonna open actually this other big package. I'll get a canvas out to show you. That's an interesting sound, isn't it? And we'll get into one of those. I just want to take a moment to admire the beautiful wrapping job before I destroy it. Now the hard part, deciding which one I want to show you first. I think I know. Okay, so before I get any farther into today's video, I want to let you know that I am a DIY Moonshop affiliate. I disclose that to you because it's important that you know whenever I'm compensated by a company in any regard before I do a review of any product. So while I did pay for all these canvases with my own money, I am an affiliate, and that just means that when you shop using the link in the description below and you enter my code Tiny Worlds of Wonder in the coupon box at checkout, that I receive a small commission. So that's a relationship that I both have to tell you legally and want to tell you so you know where things stand with my reviews. Now, I always try to be as objective as I possibly can be, but I want you to know that up front. There's never any obligation to lend me your support in that way. When you do, I'm so grateful. It means the world to me. So when I get those reports, I can't see exactly who has used the code, so I can't say thank you to you individually, but I just want you to know that you guys have been so supportive of that relationship and that partnership. You've been so fabulous. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and it really allows me to invest in the channel in ways that I definitely could not without that support. So thank you, a million thank yous. So I've been on the lookout actually for some smaller canvases from DIY Moonshop, and back around Christmas time, I received an anonymous gift card from one of you with one of the Blue Moon cards, and it was the kindest gesture. It was amazing. And so what I'm about to show you is part of what I used that card for. Whoever sent that, I'm beyond grateful to you. So thank you very much for that. We have some awesome stickers here. It's milk and Life is good. And there's a daddy sticker in there, and I'll give it to my daughters. That'll be adorable. Thank you. I love that. I love getting cute stuff in my packages. Now, this canvas is from an artist that I have never ordered from before. This piece is called Camouflage. This is by Anna Dittmann. And I really love this canvas for several reasons. One, I think it's gonna look smashing in this moderate size. I ordered the 40 by 57. Number two, I love it because it's very colorful, as you'll see in a moment. Got a lot of glare here today. And number three, I think this beautiful woman's face is just stunning. She is gorgeous. So check that out. Oh, I'm so excited about this. It is so much fun when you do a lot of big canvases to put in some canvases that are a little more manageably sized. So this is gonna be nice because I'll be able to finish it rather quickly, I think. And it is bound to be absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Now, another reason I picked this one is because I think doing some special drills on this would be amazing. The colors really lend themselves to that. I actually don't think I ordered the special treatment for this for only one reason, and it's because I have such a stash of special drills that I felt like I could really do something fun with this on my own. And if and when I do, I'll absolutely let you know what I'm doing. But oh my gosh, I'm looking at it in the camera and it's even more beautiful than I thought it would be. Oh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. All right, let's look at the drills. I'll flip this over this way. I want you to know off camera when this is over, I will be struggling for about 15 minutes to get these back in the bag. But I do it because I love you. So here's our floating legend, 40 by 57, like I said, the typical 45 colors for DIY Moon Shop. I did ask DIY Moon to leave out my toolkit this time because I have so many toolkits, and I'm excited to see that they left out the toolkit. Not because I don't appreciate the toolkit, I really do, and they have a nice toolkit. But if you order a lot of canvases, then you just don't need it, right? So here are some of our fantastic colors. Look at the 550. Oh, so we have some bright blues, some 939, some 823, some beautiful shades of greens. Look at this, so many pretty shades of greens and purples. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. So the most monochromatic colors we have are like this 413 gray, and there's not a whole lot of that. That's gonna be so, so pretty. Can you guys see? Some orange, it's like a beautiful rainbow of colors. That's gonna be so awesome. So, so awesome. I am really looking forward to starting this one. It is going to be so much fun to bling it out. I got it in rounds. I always get my DIY Moon Shop canvases in rounds only because I can order more of them, and I really, really want to. So I love this. All right, I want to see where a couple colors go. I want to check some symbols out. So historically, my only struggle with DIY Moon on occasion has been a few symbols that look similar. Usually it's like an S and a 5 and a G and a 9. Those are my two biggest issues. I'm not even seeing any of those on this time. Maybe I'll discover something as I go along, but it sure does look good and crisp to me. I feel like over the last few months, DIY Moon Shop has improved the printing on their canvases, like really noticeably. So Roanna and Reggie, way to go. I mean, things are looking just stunning. I can't get over how beautiful she is. She is gorgeous. Can you guys imagine how beautiful it would be to sprinkle in like some purple ABs here, maybe some crystals, like some electric diamonds? That would be so pretty. Of course, ordering a special treatment from DIY Moon is guaranteed to be a fun experience. If you love DIY, like I do, then maybe watch Roanna and Reggie's suggestions for where those special drills in your own stash can go. and then bling it out, baby, because it's so much fun to do. And just don't be afraid. I have so many people say, like, I'm afraid, I don't know what I'm gonna do to my canvas. Honestly, have you ever seen a special drill that you're like, I really like that special drill? I mean, they're all beautiful, so it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. I say, just go for it. I say, just go for it. Live your best life right now. So DIY Moon Shop did just launch a brand new artist, and I almost died on the floor when I saw it was Viktor Nazovtsev, the oft-stolen artist from Russia who paints all the gorgeous mermaids. Oh my gosh. So yes, that will be in an upcoming order. It is happening. So I encourage you to head over to DIY Moon. Check out Camouflage by Anna Dittmann. Also check out some brand new releases from Viktor Nazovtsev. If you would like to support me in the channel in this way, I will have the link in the description below, my affiliate link, along with my coupon code. The coupon code, when you enter that, not only helps let DIY Moon Shop know that I sent you, but it also enters you into some monthly specials on occasion. So I'll be sure to put that monthly special down in the description below too, so you know exactly what's up and all the news. I am so glad I didn't have to wait a whole week to get into this package. To the mystery viewer who sent me the gift card for this canvas, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm so excited to start it, and I'm so glad I got to show it to everybody here on the channel today. I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous week. It's been great hanging out with you. Spring is sprung in Montana. It's summer. I feel optimism. I feel joy. I hope all of you feel the same. Have a fantastic week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.